Hey friends, Chef Lee here. I remember every now and then I will get a customer request to make them something special. It was super busy tonight, so there weren't a lot of stuff to work with. I just happened to have a piece of Amberjack left in the fridge, so I made an appetizer with it. The customer was very happy, so I thought, okay, let's make a video. So I first chopped some shallots and then just cooked them a bit in the saucepan, putting in some black pepper, a little bit of water, and about a teaspoon of soy sauce. Then I also add about a quarter cup of orange juice. Just cook it until it's soft, and then transfer everything into a blender. Also some fresh ginger, a little more water, and just give it a blast. So to get the desired flavor I want, I added some more soy sauce and also fresh yuzu juice. Give it a quick taste, and the sodium and the citrus levels are good, but still there's something missing. So I added some sesame oil, give it another taste. I'm pretty happy. The dressing is done. I'm gonna leave this in the fridge to chill. Next, I made a dry rub using some salt, pepper, and chipotle powder. So we're just going to evenly apply onto the amberjack and then let it marinate for about 10 minutes in the fridge, letting that seasoning and the fish get to know each other. After that, I just seared it with a torch, really trying to bring out more of the smoky and charred flavor. So once it's done searing, it's important to let the temperature drop right away so it will stop cooking. I took a plastic bag and just threw the fish in there and let it flow in the ice bath for a few minutes. So lastly, I'm cutting some spring onion for garnishing our plate, and also some pickled beetroot. I know I'm supposed to use a glove, but I'm afraid if I put a glove on, I would cut myself. And the reason because when you're doing something for so long, your hands and your knife especially develops a muscle memory. So when I cut the beetroot, I'm kind of just looking at the camera. But anyways, just my 2 cents. Everybody's different, but that's just how I do it. So for plating, it's very simple. I just first add some dressing in the bowl and our fish. And then on top is this spring onion and pickled beetroot. Finally, just few drops of garlic oil. Amberjack and shallot dressing ready to serve.
Hi, Chef Lee here. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are about the video. If you have any questions and feedback regarding this recipe, I would love to hear from you. Please follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you all next time.